In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use saved views in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Saved views in Pipedrive are simply your favorite filters and sorting choices, saved so you can get back to the exact list you need without rebuilding it every time. This is perfect for quickly checking things like high-value deals this month, contacts you own, or activities due today. I'll walk you through setting a filter, saving it as a favorite, and switching between those views with just a click. First, go to the data list you want to use saved views for. This could be your deals, people, organizations, or activities list. Make sure you're looking at the list you want to filter because your saved view will apply to that specific area. Next, click on Filters at the top right. Here, you can set the filters you want for your list and choose sorting options. Use the filter controls to narrow your results by things like owner, status, stage, date range, or any fields that matter to you. You can combine multiple conditions to get exactly the slice of data you need. Then, set how you want the list sorted. For example, by value, by date added, or by expected close date. As you adjust filters and sorting, watch your list update so you can confirm it's showing exactly what you expect. Once you create filters, click on them to select them. That selection applies your criteria to the list, locking in the current view. Think of this as your snapshot, the precise combination of conditions and sort order you want to reuse. From the drop-down filter list at the top right, hover over the filter you want to save and click on the star icon that appears to save it to your favorites. Starring it doesn't change the filter itself, it simply pins that filter to your favorites, so it's always easy to find. This is especially handy if you return to the same view often during your day. And there you go. You can then easily switch between filter views here for your list. Just open the filter dropdown, pick another filter, or click a starred one, and the list will instantly refresh to match that saved view. This makes moving between, say, this quarter's pipeline and today's to-dos quick and consistent. That's all. With a few clicks, you've set up a reliable way to jump straight to the information you need every time you open Pipedrive.